Fairy tales can come true. It could happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard you will find to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart. And if you should survive to 105, look at all you'll derive out of being alive. And here is the best part: you have a head start if you are amongst the very, very young at heart. Davilizui quello ciolo da cangela da sondela da lisicio lisici ilisueli fili silon cilo yemandi loncholo cilon cilo yemandi loncholo. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he was